Just a quick video for everyone. I'm alive. Just been really busy. I'm going to show you guys the brand new project, one of the new projects. So without further ado, hey, what do we got here? You're watching Whiskey Dents. This is Chris. Let's check this thing out. There it is. 47 International KB2. This thing is ridiculously clean. The only rust that I found is right there. We got the hood in there. We got one little dent on the tailgate. It hasn't been driven since 1986. The box looks immaculate. I can't see any dents on it anywhere. The roof, mint. There's a few dents, a few whiskey dents here and there. Somebody might have pounded them out, but all in all, it looks pretty good. I don't know what the plan is for this thing just yet. You guys should let me know what you think I should do. Put a straight 6 in it, LS, big block, 350, small block. What are you guys thinking? Let me know in the comments. Also, do you think we should give it away or should I just flip it? Seat looks great. Need some winders. Maybe one wiper. It's missing that piece up there. Somebody swiped. I think it's just the battery cover. There may be something on the other, like here. I guess I'm not 100% sure. She says 31,000 original miles. No radio. Got the keys. What does this say? We're working our hearts out for you. Okay. Thank you for that. So, yeah. What do you guys think? Man, this thing is so solid. I don't have the slightest idea how to tip the seat up. Doors shut nice. She is a real gem. Somebody put a gas tank in here of some sort. Assuming that's a carburetor. What's left of it. Let's see. Manual fuel pump. The hood looks really nice. I'm going to try to drag this thing home this weekend. If all goes well. I'm having a heck of a time finding a trailer. But we'll get something figured out. So yeah, what do you guys think I should do? Should I put it on a S10 frame? Leave it the way it is? Try to get it running? This thing is so cool. Sorry about the wind. Yeah, let me know what you guys think. All right, that's it. Hope you guys enjoyed it. We'll be back here in probably a couple of weeks with another episode. When I go to pick up the other project, I'll probably do a short video on that too. But yeah, there it is. Put your peepers on that. Oh, if anybody knows where a headlight bezel is, I need one. So let me know. Thanks again. See you next time. I'm your host, Chris. And everybody have a great week. Bye.